this quick second to acknowledge how to shift spaces and push sound, put sound around the air and use spaces, holding your space and pushing through notes, circulating in news each shell. And when you push the time, it will bend for the new. And how you shape your environment too. You must fill the air with differing directions and flow your orbits with a different approach. And whilst you circulate your pigments of color, you want to navigate the surrounding environment, to be able to paint colors into the air and intermix the sound through clouds of various angles, through the orbital sequences that surround your facial space with color and sound.